Welcome to the tool wall, where time is the most valuable tool. Today I'll be unboxing the Quart Formula FKB113 5¼ speakers. I had unboxed these previously to check for damage, but I'll show you what's all in here. Nice set of wires already with wire terminals attached. Comes with, of course, mounting screws here, some additional mounting hardware, metal clasps, here's the specs here. 45 watts up to 90 watts, they're 4 ohms, 88 decibel sensitivity, and range from 60 hertz up to 20,000 kilohertz with a 12 decibel octave crossover for the high pass on the tweeter part. Has a manual. These pretty nice speaker grills. It has a titanium dome tweeter and this nice rubberized surround. A pretty large magnet. And this wire goes into the back to the tweeter. I believe these are a great deal. I purchased a pair of these for the front doors of my Ford Transit Connect, and I was so impressed with the sound quality that I bought a second pair for the back of that vehicle. These I picked up for $33 on eBay on sale, and I've seen even better deal if you buy a bundle, buy 2 pairs. You can get it for as low as I've seen as $50 for 4 speakers or 2 pairs. So a really great deal, and really impressed with the sound quality of these speakers. So thanks for watching, and have a good day.